these, you have to slide the little red tab back, and then right here is a button, and you push that button down and it just unplugs. These little plastic screws won't come out and they break and stuff, so I've seen a trick that you screw a screw into it and then you should be able to just yank it out. Yeah, just like that. That way you don't break it, you can use it, and you can get this out with a screwdriver. The hardest part was figuring out where to put the Bluetooth box and how to run the wires in a safe place and then still be able to reach the lights, because you know you got two shorter cords and then you got two longer cords for the halos. So I ran the short side closest to the fuse box right there. I run this up in behind the light. I'm going to set the box back in here, and then the other short line will reach the fog light, and these two long lines will reach headlight, running it along where this wire already is, and this one will reach the fog light down here. Whatever reason, the DOT sign actually goes on the bottom upside down. I have this one in right, and this one is actually blinding, shining up in the air, so I'm going to turn it around too. Okay, so the brown wire coming from the fog lights is hot and blue is ground, and then you just splice it into the fog light plug. White was hot and black was ground. For the halo light, they just connect right here. Okay, and for the halo lights, we connected the hot wire into that fuse and ground on the battery. Once you got everything connected, you just tape and secure your wires so that they don't move or anything. I got my Bluetooth box taped up down here, taped it across over there to the fuse. I even taped the ends of these together. Putting this back on, should be able to just stick that there and just give it a little tap, 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 tap. Once you get this piece put back on, go ahead and put your grill back on. Just push those in. You may need to get a little hammer and tap those in too. And then push along the bottom and the sides till you hear them click. And then you got that put back in place. Okay, don't be like me and forget to plug these back in. And they just kind of just have little notches. Just gotta twist them in there. And then twist. Alright, and then you're all done. And that's how you install the Sunpie red, green, blue halo headlights and fog lights.